Welcome back to my channel, JonnyTech. Today, we're diving into the whirlwind of innovation that was CES 2025. From groundbreaking AI to the coolest gadgets you want to get your hands on. Let's unpack what made the headlines. Grab your tech glasses because here we go.
Welcome to the stage, NVIDIA founder and CEO, Jensen Huang.
First off, CES 2025 kicks off with a bang thanks to NVIDIA. Their CEO Jensen Huang set the tone by revealing the RTX 50 series GPUs. These aren't just for gaming, they're poised to revolutionize AI processing at home and in professional environments. The RTX 5090 in particular is rumored to offer unprecedented ray tracing capabilities and AI performance. If you're into gaming or AI, this is something that you definitely want to keep your eyes on. Moving on to displays. Samsung and LG were in a head-to-head battle. LG unveiled an ultra-gear monitor that can bend at your command, switching between flat and curved, while Samsung introduced a slew of new display technologies including foldable and slidable screens for IT devices. Their QD OLED TVs also got an upgrade, hitting peak brightness levels that are just insane.
With LG X Boom. Our goal with the new X Boom series was never about duplicating what already existed. It's about reimagining what a speaker is supposed to be. It's about finding your inspiration.
AI was everywhere at CES, but not just in the background. On the automotive front, CES 2025 was a playground for futuristic vehicles. Honda and Sony's Afeela car made its significant impression, promising a blend of entertainment and mobility.
That's the power of Operating System X. This interface will feel familiar to our existing users and intuitive to our first-time users as well.
Smart homes just got smarter, with Matter gaining traction. Expect a new wave of devices that play nice with each other, no matter the brand.
With LG Shield and on-device AI,
that will forever alter our experiences while we interact with the world beyond.
And for the fun side of tech, we have some new wild stuff. How about a van that can launch drones from its back? So what does this mean for us? We're looking at a year where AI isn't just a buzzword, but a daily changer where screens bend to our will, and there are cars and homes becoming smarter and safer and more entertaining.
It's gotta be against the law to look this damn good.
CES 2025 has laid down the groundwork for the rest of the year. and I for one can't wait to see what's next.
Enhance your play with look and turn technology, creating smooth 360-degree movement for never before experienced VR immersion.
What tech are you most excited about or have you seen from CES 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.
Maybe that's a good thing.
She said what? She said what?
Now I'm going to leave you with a few more gems.
The ChatGPT moment for general robotics is just around the corner. And in fact, all of the enabling technologies that I've been talking about is going to...
The world's first proactive AI glasses make you sharper with its invisible digi window, anticipate your needs, and help before you ask. Let's say you're in one of those long meetings, while others struggle to keep up.
Enables skilled human workers to portal into a digital twin of their robot using the Apple Vision Pro. This means operators can capture data even without a physical robot, and they can operate the robot in a risk-free environment.
Hit like if you enjoyed this roundup, subscribe for more tech updates, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest. See you in the next video. Peace.